sun is shining. All of a sudden the thunder is going loudly. And then I got a pop-up on my phone that said there's lightning detected in my area. Whoa. Oh, hold on, tree. Woo. My babies. Well, I should say my husband babies. He's the birder man. Oh, that don't look good. Twisty turny. Look a little green over here too. Oh yeah, that's looking more green right there. I'll put some decorations out. What do you think, buddy? Just got him yesterday. Been wanting this guy for a long time. I don't know why we call it a guy. It's really funny. I don't know why we do that. Oh yeah, this is looking a little scary, a little sketchy. Not too good. Well, we do need some moisture here. Look at that. Is it funneling? Look at it coming down. It's getting bigger. I feel the wind shifting. Oh, some chimney help. Somebody want to come out and fix my chimney? Oh, this is looking. Ooh. Now it's not even really sprinkling. Whew. All right. Just wondering something good. All right, well, time to get some cleaning done in the house. Put some candles on.